Guys, we just started to subscribe, but you didn't see it. Look. Please subscribe. I really need this. We really need to win. We have that much of a sub, guys. Please subscribe. Right now. Just right now. Time to go. Sorry. Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to do I Ready Math. Next lesson? No, we're resuming it. Hurry up, hurry up. Come on, come on, come on. Later.
June is putting charms on
Collars.
He uses 2 boxes and puts 4 collars in each box. Each collar has 3 charms. Find the total number of charms June uses. You know June uses 2 boxes. How many collars are in each box? Complete the expression.
Well. 2 times 4. Yeah.
How many charms are on each collar? Complete the expression. Let's find the total number of collars first. How many collars does June have? Complete the equation.
Now
How many charms does June use in all?
Guys, what is 8 times 3? What's 8 times 3, guys? That equals 24, guys. 24. Done.
June uses 24 charms in all. Let's solve the problem a different way. This time, find the number of charms in each box first. How many charms are in each box? Complete the equation.
That's 3 in each box. Look. 1, 2, 3. I think they're trying to fool us or something. Oh, because that's why they said these things are charms.
And each color has 3 charms. What is 4 times 3?
Oh, this is a sneaky of answer. 4 times 3. We all know. Okay, what's 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3? If you don't know those, we can break it down. What's 3 plus 3? It's 6. What's 6 plus 3? It's 9. What's 9 plus 3? It's 12.
How many charms does June use in all? Find the product.
Oh, now what is 12 times 2? What is 12 plus 12? That's 24. Yeah.
June uses 24 charms in all. Let's take a closer look at the equations you just completed. How are the equations the same? And how are the equations different? Complete each row of the table.
Oh, the fractions of the table. Different. Wait, what?
Both equations use the same factors, which are 2, 4, and 3.
Now I understand.
You can group factors in different ways, and the product will be the same. Ava has 6 rock painting kits. Each kit comes with 5 rocks and 2 eyes for each rock. Find the number of eyes that are used to make all the rocks. You know there are 5 rocks in each kit. How many rock painting kits does Ava have? Complete the expression.
There's 6 rock painting kits.
How many eyes are there for each rock? Complete the expression. Let's find the total number of rocks first. How many rocks are there in all? Complete the equation. How many eyes are used to make all the rocks? Find the product. Ava uses 60 eyes to make all the rocks. Let's solve the problem a different way. This time, find the number of eyes in each kit first. How many eyes are in each kit? Complete the equation. Look at the factors that are grouped. There are 5 rocks in each kit, and each rock has 2 eyes. What is 5 times 2?
That equals 10, guys. We are not lying. It's actually 10.
How many eyes are used to make all the rocks? Find the product.
Yeah.
Well done. Ava uses 60 eyes to make all the rocks. You can group factors in different ways, and the product stays the same. Use order and grouping to find 6 times 3 times 2. Which expression can be used to find 6 times 3 times 2?
Yes!
Which expression has the same product as 6 times 2 times 3?
Guys, can I tell you a riddle? Okay, this will be what? Okay, let me think. Let me think. What was it again? Cause in the bed I said that with online school guide. I asked him that riddle. I think it's. Guys, is it okay if I can get time to think? Tell me in the comments. Okay, if you leave it for too long, it'll start to flicker. What am I? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm a light. If you leave it on for too long, it flickers. I have Kristan, right?
61, 60, 98, 99, 100.
Okay, he's just counting, but what expression has the same product? So what are we multiplying? So I think it's 6 times 5. Wait, what?
The parentheses tell you which factors to multiply first.
Oh, multiply?
LMNOP.
I feel like I don't know the same shit. I'm just gonna guess.
F
Like that.
P.
It's 6 times 6.
B E E E
6
D
times 6.
B U X Y
6
O.
Guys, do you know 6 times 6? That may be hard. It equals 36.
Mommy!
Akastan.
Tony here. Tony here.
Times 3 times 2 equals 36. Use order and grouping to find 3 times 5.
So guys, do you know what it's called if there's too much multiplication? You may heard about this, but it's called long multiplication. Long multiplication.
5 times 3. Which expression can be used to find 3 times 5 times 3?
Okay. So guys, round and round and round and la 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 la. So
Which expression has the same product as 3 times 3 times 5?
I do not know. Do you know this number? 6, 7. Okay, let's click right over here to see if
Remember, the parentheses
this.
which factors to multiply first.
Ooh. No, not already. Okay. So, guys, we're currently going to be
3 times 3 equals 9. So this expression has the same product as 3 times 3 times 5. Now find the product. What is 9 times 5?
Ooh, guys, you can do this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Stop. That's 45. This answer is 45. Not 6. Not 67.
Equals 45. So 3 times 5 times 3 equals 45.
Long multiplication! Yeah, we all know long multiplication, y'all. Yo, 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 yo.
Zion has 5 toy airplane kits. There are 4 airplanes in each kit. Each airplane has 2 wings. Find the total number of wings. You know there are 5 airplane kits. How many airplanes are in each kit? Complete the expression. How many wings does each airplane have? Complete the expression.
2.
How many airplanes are there in all? Complete the equation.
This could be a little tricky. Not going to lie. Okay. We can do a 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we all know there is 20. 20.
What is the total number of wings? Find the product. Use order and grouping to find 2 times 6 times 2.
Period.
Which expression can be used to find 2 times 6 times 2? This expression shows that you can group 2 times 6 and then multiply by 2 to find the product.
Bye everyone. See you on your next video.